could you introduce yourself and introduce your brand, which you represent here on Sharpneck Competence Days?
Yeah, thanks for having me. Very excited to be here at the Sharpneck Competence Days. My name is Marc Schiedl. I'm the responsible sales manager from BrightSign for the DACH and Eastern Europe parts. So BrightSign is known as the market leader of digital signage media players. So we are doing digital signage media player hardware, but also software to create nice experiences with digital signage. So that's basically what we are doing. We are an American company, but we have a footprint in Europe with some colleagues, but also with distribution partners which serve all the countries.
You are very famous for players and cloud-based networking solutions also, but for whom do you dedicate your products?
Yeah, we have a super wide range of customers and verticals that we are using our players with. So basically, we are saying every display which is not a TV driven by a TV channel could be used with our players. So actually, it's in transportation, it's in museums, it's in a corporate communication, in retail. But it's really, we are not linked into just a retail vertical or just other things. It's basically everywhere where you need a robust, reliable player. You can use our system, and additional to that, that's why we partner with a lot of other CMSs. So whether it's displays in a stadium, you might be good to have that organized with a CMS like Triple Play. If it's like in retail, it might be better to use a Navori CMS or others. So we are partnering with the right piece of the software to have dedicated to this vertical the best solution together with our players.
You mentioned your reliable, legendary players, and the question is simple: why they are so?
Yeah, I mean that's really what our clients like and why. So that you can ask every of our client and he will say, yeah, BrightSign, yeah, that's the reliable player. So why is that the case? It's there are a few reasons for that. So it's purpose designed. So we are not OEM a standard PC or Android box and build our brand on that. So we are really designing everything on the board on ourselves. So it's purpose built for 24/7, 365. And additional to that, it's our BrightSign OS. So we are not using any Linux, standard Android or Windows platform. Also, we have a purpose-built operating system directly on our hardware, which makes it really easy for us to control the whole chain and the system. And you don't have to rely on a hardened Windows system, for example, where things break, where there's blue screens, where there are other things, and the same for Linux. So it's really the combination of own designed hardware and own designed software that makes us so reliable.
You offer everything: hardware, software, and devices.
No, exactly, yeah. So we are building the hardware, we have the operating system layer, and we are offering our Bright also. That's the free version of our design system to create playlists, layouts, and schedule the system. But additional to that, you can use our BrightSign players also with other third-party CMS systems. So the hardware layer and the operating system is on us, and you can install another one on that with all the advantages that our system brings.
Is there any new product which you would like to mention right now about here in Krakow?
Yeah, I mean, there are a lot of new things from our side. So this year, we spent the last 2 years to develop our new series. So we moved from Series 4 to Series 5 players now. So it's the next generation platform, revised hardware. It's quicker, it's more powerful. So we changed every of our player series to the new Series 5. And additional to that, we launched a player line, which is called the XC ones. And the new thing about that is, so our former player lines, it was like one player per display, right? So you have one player behind the screen. So now we have, with the XC series, we have a player that can have up to 4 outputs. So we can do 4 times 4K 60p with one reliable solid state media player out of the box. And with our free software, you can create very easily this kind of video wall installations with our XC products. Additional to that, this device is 10 times more powerful than our existing XT line. So we can also use that media player in kind of 3D animations or other sects where you thought, hey, I need a i7, a very powerful PC. For that, you can now get rid of the PC and the Windows and all the problems that you get with that stuff and use our XT line for that.
You have a known mark also here in Poland, Polish market AV also, but is there any new intrinsic installation which use your devices, your players?
I mean, we have really a lot of projects, also a lot of projects in Poland here, but they are not like super big. Last year, what we have done, so actually we are doing projects from one player to a few thousand players actually. So what we have done last year, for example, is BMW has right now in the whole global world using 4,000 players in their network now with us. We have launched a project in corporate communication with Bayer, the pharma company Bayer, also global through a Polish dealer, which has around 2,000, 2,500 players running now. And we just signed a new global deal with Novartis, also pharma. And in kind of retail, we just prepare a project with Japan Tobacco, so for gas stations where they present their new vaping stuff, which is also very big with our new XC players. So a couple of hundred players go there into this project. So it's a broad base of line. Depends on what vertical you look. We have a lot of wins.
There are a lot of small projects, but perhaps there is something bigger one in next future, next year.
I mean, we are working on kind of bigger ones also in Poland. It's more like a lot of the projects are like museum-based, government-based, or this kind of applications. But also retail is interesting in Poland. So there for sure will come up some bigger projects, which I can't talk right now about it yet.
Thank you.
Thanks.